If you're looking for a simple and relatively affordable way to help keep the rear cargo area in your 21 and newer four-door Bronco a bit cleaner, well then adding the Husky Weather Beater rear cargo liner here would certainly be a no-brainer. Now the Husky will combine an American-made rubberized build along with laser-measured fit and corresponding lifetime warranty, offer right around the low $100 price point. So the Husky Weather Beater we are featuring here today is specifically designed again for the 21 and newer four-door Broncos out there, again, who might be looking to keep that floor a little bit cleaner no matter what you use your rig for. Now this could be a number of things, right? Camping gear, beach stuff, tools, even your favorite four-legged furry friend, and that's why typically you'd like to add something like this in the first place, as it will help protect from all of the stuff I just mentioned, but at the same time will be extremely easy to yank out, clean, and reinstall in a moment's notice. Now, as far as the design and build of the Weather Beater, well, again, you're gonna find that American-made molded construction here, laser measured with extremely high walls, and that's gonna help capture and contain any junk, right? Water, sand, spills, mud, whatever, from getting onto the rear carpet or the rear floor of your Bronco. Now, also helping contain those spills will be these nice deep channels here throughout the liner itself, and that again will help isolate everything, keeping your interior a bit cleaner in the process. But maybe one of my favorite parts about the liner from Husky is the fact that they use this durable rubberized material that will certainly stand up to some abuse, no doubt, but at the same time will help prevent things from sliding around the cargo area thanks to kind of the grippiness of the material. Finally, guys, the Husky will feature some cleats on the back here to prevent the liner itself from sliding around on you, and again is backed by Husky's limited lifetime warranty. But now we do want to segue into the install, and yes, this is the easiest thing you'll probably ever do on your Bronco. So figure the softest 1 out of 3 wrenches imaginable and no more than a minute to get everything in place from start to finish. But now just to show you how easy this thing is, yes, we're even going to give you a detailed walkthrough of the job. Check it out.
First thing we're going to do once we get our door open and our soft top up is clean out the back of the vehicle. Now's a good time to run a vacuum in there, clean out your carpet. Now, once we got that all done, we're going to install our liner. It's going to sit in place, push down into the back, and you'll see that it'll just sit and it has already the indents for where it ends up fitting. Once you have it down and installed, this installation is finished. That wraps up this review and install of our Husky Weather Beater cargo liner in black for 21 to 22 Bronco 4-doors. Thanks for watching, and for all things Bronco, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.